Good morning, y'all. I wanted to show you real quick how I clean our diffusers. I unplugged them all and brought them in here. It's just kind of the easiest way. I've got the Aria that we have in our room, and then each of my kids' rooms have the feather diffusers, and then I've got a desert mist in the dining room and a desert mist in the living room. So you can clean them where they're at. It's just easier for me since we have so many just to kind of bring them all in here. I try to clean ours once a week or once every couple weeks. We have extremely hard water, and we use ours every day, so and every night most of the time for a lot of them. So you could tell they get this, like, if you have hard water, they get that like build up inside of them. So when I clean them, and this one gets real, but this is one of the this is Koa's, I think. So his gets run most of the day for naps and stuff, and then all night. So they get real caked up if you've got a lot of hard water, even if you don't, but you just take the lids off of them. I think it's been a little longer. That's the living room one. I think it's been a little longer since I've cleaned that one, but definitely cleaning them extends the life of them, so make sure you do that. The most important thing when you clean them is this plate down here, the ultrasonic plates that are like right in the middle. Make sure you clean those. This is all important too, but that's one of the most important things. So the only thing I really use to clean this is alcohol. I know lately people gone crazy. This can be a hot commodity. So if you don't have alcohol, I have used a thieves cleaner and vinegar. And then once I rub it out, you can also run the vinegar for like 5 minutes. Like just pour it in like you would water for the diffuser and just let it run for a few minutes to clean it out. But all I do is I just put, this thing comes off too. I just put a little bit of alcohol in the bottom of each of mine just to kind of let it sit for a second. And then you can take cotton balls, or I have cotton rounds and Q-tips. I'd love to have a better option for the planet. Obviously, I hate throwing these away, but then all I do is kind of rub the plate really well with my Q-tip, just scrub it really well, and then you can use the Q-tip to clean like the little spots that you have around. So like in this one, you know, I'd clean out this middle thing really well, and then I use my cotton round. You can get it a little bit more alcohol to just clean out. It wipes off pretty easily, you can tell, to just wipe out this. And then I also do the same thing with the lids. I kind of wipe out the lids with the Q-tip and the cotton round. So once you're done with all the alcohol cleaning, just rinse them out with hot water, and then you're good to go. Just stick it back on, and they'll be nice and clean. They run so much better when they're clean, and they last a really long time. I've had probably had these 4 years, some of these 4 years, a couple years, and we use them every day. So keep them clean and they'll last a really long time. Bye guys.